Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 3rd of February. I'm James Spann. Obviously, some very active weather for the next several hours. A tornado watch in effect for parts of the state. Much, much colder tomorrow. After that, the weather goes pretty calm for the weekend and through much of next week. Let's start with the upper air look across the country today. That big trough that's been driving this winter storm for friends to the west and north of here, gradually shifting eastward. And obviously, we are socked in with clouds across the state this afternoon. Not much sun at all, and showers and storms are increasing over West Alabama and South Mississippi, and with a little instability, those could become strong to severe this afternoon. Temperatures 70 in Tuscaloosa at 12:25, 70 in Demopolis, so the air is unstable on that western side of the state. Birmingham at 65, but look at the cold air just north and west of here. Memphis at 33, Starkville, Mississippi at 48, but you cross the front, Meridian, Mississippi at 70, and that cold air hanging up right at the Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee state line, but we're going to feel the cold air in here tomorrow. So here's the tornado watch. This is in effect basically in the broad area from Birmingham to Mobile. This includes Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa counties, Pickens, Bibb, Chilton, and counties down to Mobile and Baldwin. This is in effect until 6 o'clock this afternoon. In addition to the tornado watch, we have a flood watch from US 80 north, Montgomery north. And again, note that ice storm warning for Memphis. It's awfully icy with freezing rain there today. And winter storm warnings continue from the Texas Hill Country to northern New England. And this thing will be winding down later tonight and tomorrow, but it's an icy mess in so many areas north and west of Alabama. So this is the latest severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. And obviously, we have that risk of severe storms across our state. We've got the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, including Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Tuscaloosa, and Point South, down to Mobile, Bruton, and Andalusia. The areas in yellow. Much of the rest of the state in a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5. In terms of the probabilistic outlook, this is the latest tornado percentages here. A 5% ring in that slight risk area, which means a 5% of a tornado within 25 miles of a given point. I'd say it's not a major threat today, but understand all it takes is one tornado, and if it comes down your street, it's a major threat. So we'll be watching radar trends carefully this afternoon. Be sure you can hear warnings if they are needed. Tomorrow, a marginal risk to the east around Jacksonville and Savannah. And day 3, Saturday, no thunderstorms expected across the country. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. And you can see for our state, additional rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches likely in most spots. And really after tomorrow, we'll be dry for a while. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Troughing coming through the Great Lakes. And in the morning, it's going to be much colder. We'll probably see some lingering light rain around Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, and there could be a little light freezing rain or freezing drizzle over the northern quarter of the state. That's north of Hamilton, Cullman, and Fort Payne. The area's in pink there. Not a major icing situation, but there might be a touch of bridge icing with temperatures at or just below freezing. So keep that in mind. That's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. By afternoon, the rain shifting down into South Alabama, otherwise cloudy and cold. Temperatures will likely fall into the 30s over the northern third of the state during the day. Blustery. This is Saturday. Looks like the day will be dry, the sky becoming sunny. We start the day in the 20s, the high in the upper 40s. And Sunday will be rain-free with a good supply of sunshine, the high Sunday back in the 50s after starting the day in the 20s. Monday, a little wave coming through that might squeeze out some rain for the southeastern counties of the state, but the northern counties will likely stay dry. The high Monday in the low 50s. Tuesday will be a dry day, the high around 50. Wednesday looking good, mid-50s. And a week from today, Thursday the 10th, troughing over the eastern states, and we're still dry and cool, seasonal. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 13th, troughing north and west of the state, and evidence of snow here in Memphis and Nashville and Louisville, but understand this is 10 days out. This can and probably will change in coming days. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 19th of February. And for the fun of it, the snow output from the GFS ensemble, just a little bit of noise here and there, no major sign of any snowstorm here for the next 15 days. And the number is from the National Blend of Models. Highs in the 40s tomorrow and Saturday, then back in the 50s, lows in the 30s next week. Again, that's very seasonal. And the latest CPC outlook in hand, this was issued yesterday. This is for the period February 10th through the 16th. Temperatures here should be a little below average if this works out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.